This video is going to be on the Honeywell 6290 Honeywell home panel. This video is going to cover the not ready alarm and show you how to clear any troubles that may be on there. If you look on the panel, there's a couple of different icons that look kind of weird. The bottom left is panic, so you don't want to hit the panic button. The bottom right there's an exclamation mark. If you push on that, it'll come up and show you what happened. So in this case, the garage alarm went off. So it actually set off the alarm, triggered the alarm, and it either called somebody or the alarm was canceled before it was cut off there. Now, until you actually clear that code, you cannot set the panel. Just tap on the icon. Once you highlight it, hit clear, enter your code, and you're back to normal mode again. And if you notice, the exclamation mark is now gone off the bottom. And that's basically how you clear the trouble off the panel once the alarm has gone off, and it won't let you reset the panel.